What's up, guys? I'm just gonna give it a minute or two to let some folks, drop in. I put an announcement out in the Discord group, um, and at this point, it's a time for rebuilding. I'm one so just to give let me just start back over. Um, if you're visiting me for the first time, this channel is dedicated to helping people become their own boss, and I do that via trading in the stock market. I also have a business, and that is We Trade HQ. And I'm sure there'll be some folks. Don, I did trade Roku. I shorted the hell out of it, so that was great today. Um, I covered way too early, but still made a great trade nonetheless. But anyways, let me refocus here. We had a community of almost 4,500 members within our Discord. I woke up Sunday morning and all of them were completely wiped out. They were gone, except for myself and a few moderators. And what we determined was um, that there was somebody within our group that was a moderator that for some reason um, maybe had, I don't know, a lot of hate for us for whatever reason. I just didn't have anything better to do. Just maybe they're a terrible person. I don't know. Um, they just wiped it all out. 2 years of hard work of building a community is completely wiped out. Um, to say that it was to say that it was frustrating at first and a little bit of a shot to the gut is an understatement. Um, but the whole purpose of this live stream was for me to. I don't know why my camera's spazzing out. Um, the whole purpose of me doing this live stream was just to let everybody know that we're still here. The live stream did or the Discord group didn't completely disappear. All of its members were just simply kicked out. So the only thing that I ask of you is just to simply come back. The link to the Discord group is in the description. If anybody wants to share it within the live chat, feel free to do so. And actually, here, I'll go ahead and do that as well. Let me just go ahead and share that Discord invite link for you. Um, I'll copy it right now. And, it just, it sucks. It really does. But what's been super awesome is that I went ahead and we emailed everybody and we put it out all over social media. And what's been amazing about it is that there have been such an outpouring of support from fellow traders and even personalities that have basically spread the word to explain what happened. And the nice thing is that we've actually gotten some new faces, some people that have never been there before in our group, and it's been pretty awesome, to see so far. We don't have everybody back yet, but that's kind of why I decided to go live today, was just to kind of let everybody know that we're still here and we aren't going anywhere. And honestly, I feel as if this kind of gives us an opportunity to come out of this a little bit stronger than we were before. Um, there's a lot more activity going on in the group now. It's allowed us to kind of, I don't know, hit the reset button, I guess, in a certain sense, in a literal sense, I guess, too. But what I also wanted to address was that there were some people who had questions about the information being compromised and stuff like that. I want to clarify that this was just a Discord issue, or an issue in Discord. Um, Nobody that is in the WeTradeHQ.com platform was affected. Nobody that's in mentorships were affected. This was just the WeTradeHQ free platform that are the free Discord group that people can join and hang out in and interact with. So um, yeah, pretty much pretty much Arm Trader. Um, but yeah, it sucks, but at the same time, it's one of those things where it's just part of the process. I think you're always going to have people that really are just out to tear people down. A lot of people like to watch the world burn, and but I'm not going to let that get to me, and I have ideas as to who this individual is, but I'm not even going to um, focus all my time on that. I had a day and a half to kind of reflect on this and kind of just take it all in and take action. And I got to say that I'm pretty proud of the way that Jake, myself, and Christian have handled it. And I just want to thank you guys for the outpouring of support. Don, and all the other mentors, Cameron, they've all reached out to me and asked, what can they do, and I just can't thank you guys enough for being able to, for being willing to kind of help us rebuild. And so, yeah, all they have to do is click the link and to join back. You don't have nobody was banned. There's a difference between being kicked and banned. Everybody was just kicked. So you're more than welcome to come back. Nobody was banned, and yeah, it is what it is. Haters gonna hate. That's right. Uh, that's right. Ice the purge. That's right. And I'm keeping my head up. My attitude, I think, is good. I'm feeling pretty positive, and we're just gonna move on. But I just wanted to give this the opportunity for people to ask any questions that maybe I hadn't answered. There's a lot of confusion, obviously, when you just kind of wake up one day and you're no longer in a group that you were a part of for a very long time. So I just kind of wanted to go live and publicly speak about it and talk about what happened and what transpired, and just kind of reassure everybody that there's nothing else to worry about, that nothing else was affected other than this Discord group. It sucks because our We Trade HQ Discord was the group where we had the most amount of people. But I'm confident that we'll get them all back, and we'll, like I said, come out stronger for it. So shall please, yeah. And Kiko also spread the word for us as well. So. Yeah, and it's been weird. I don't know if you guys have noticed on my YouTube channel as well that I've been getting a barrage of dislikes on all of my videos. It's been very strange over the last 2.5 weeks. I've been getting these weird dislikes, and it's not just normal people just hating on my channel. I can take people like talking shit about me or whatever. I don't really care about that. It's just there's this bot, some sort of artificial thing that just comes up and dislikes my video and leaves, doesn't watch it. So I know that it's something artificial, but it is what it is. Like, I'm just gonna keep going and do my own thing. Eunice, we will be having our Sunday sessions as usual, but with everything that went on Sunday itself, it was just kind of one of those things where there was just too much going on for me to be able to focus on that. But over the last 36, 48 hours, I've kind of been able to make sure that we're all still good and all that good stuff. So, yeah, as far as where we go from here, I mean, all you guys got to do is just share it, spread the word, and, let everybody know that we're still here and we're not going anywhere for a long time. If anybody has any questions, please feel free to ask. It's not something that, obviously, that I'm a big fan of having to deal with. I got better things to do with my time, which is why when I was basically putting this announcement on social media that I wasn't going to seek out this person to retaliate against them or whatever, because I got a business to run, and I got people that I care about within our community that deserve my attention way more than this individual does, and I'm not going to give them the satisfaction of giving them more attention, because honestly, that's really all they're seeking. So, yeah, Big Z, I've had some thoughts about it, when things first started happening. But it is what it is. It's one of those things, where you think about, especially as a business owner, like bumps in the road that you're going to have. You don't think about people that are actually just going to come out and try to attack your shit. But I think that's just the world we live in sometimes, especially with how easy it can be from as far as technology is concerned. And we just have to make sure that we're prepared for it for next time, because I'm sure this won't be the last time that we get attacked in some sort of way. So that's why, like I said, that I was really proud of the way that we handled it so far. And we're working and making some time to try to just take some preemptive measures to make sure that this sort of thing doesn't happen again, or at least makes it a little bit more difficult for people to do something like this. So we've also reached out to Discord. Discord's aware of the issue, or aware of what happened. We're still waiting to hear back from them. I know that they're very busy, so it might take a little bit to hear back from them, to at least probably block whoever did this, so that they don't do it to somebody else or us ever again. So that's exactly right, Marty. And Bake CD, yeah, I couldn't agree with you more. I have this thing about me. I think one of my greatest strengths and weaknesses is that I trust people a lot, and I'm always the first one to give somebody the benefit of the doubt. And I would still don't mind being that person. I don't know. I'm not. Yeah, sometimes it comes back to bite me in the ass, but I would still rather be the person that gives an individual the benefit of the doubt, because I don't know. I just feel like they deserve that. And then obviously, if that person destroys it, then it is what it is. It gets treated differently. But I always do like to trust people and take them for their word. I do believe in the good people. That's right. Thomas, just live and learn. Yeah, and I'm not. Yeah, sure does. And I agree, Slim Dan, too. So, and I appreciate all the kind words, guys. And like I said, I appreciate you guys, supporting the platform, supporting what it is that we are. And, it's just another bump in the road, and we'll continue on from it. But again, like I said, I just want to make sure that, I was addressing the issue publicly, via YouTube, because I had been all over all my other social media platforms. And my hope is that I at least reached out to just about everybody that I could. But I do know that there's people that watch my YouTube channel as well. And again, the links are in the description. I put the link in the chat if you guys are just joining me. And we'll move on. So that is going to be it for me. Please be on the lookout for more videos to come. I will be back for Stockwatch Sunday on Sunday at 8:30 p.m. Eastern Time. And yeah, we will prevail from here, guys. That's all I really have to say about that. In the words of Forrest Gump, that's it. So thanks, guys. I appreciate your support so much. Again, if you want to come back to our Discord channel or Discord group, we're still here, and we will continue to be here. So links are down in the description. So thanks, guys. Thanks, Samir. Appreciate you, brother. All right. Have a good one.